Hi, I'm Brandon Knight, and today we're going to talk about the best practices for modifying your screenplay. Everything within StudioBinder is based off of scene numbers. Typically, when you import or sync a screenplay, we automatically lock the screenplay, which essentially locks your scene numbers in place. That way, if you make any changes to a script, the existing scene numbers will not be affected, and any production planning work that's been done on those scenes will be retained. Now, we understand that there may be exceptions from time to time, and you'll need to update a script. The best way to modify a script is to go to your script writing tool in StudioBinder and make the changes there. If you need to add a scene, we'll automatically append a letter to the scene so as not to change the other scene numbers that are connected to your project. For example, if you add a scene after scene 5, it would automatically be labeled as scene 5A. That way, scene 6 onwards will not be affected. From there, you can sync the screenplay using Screenplay Sync and confirm the changes are all correct before you commit to those changes. And it can be synced across the entire project. Don't worry about syncing script changes. If anything goes haywire for any reason, you can always roll back to a previous version of a script via your version manager. So the bottom line, if you need to make any edits to a script, it should be made in StudioBinder's built-in writing tool, and then resynced from there. Thanks for watching. I'm Brandon from StudioBinder, and we'll see you in the next video.